Hello foodies, welcome back. Let's make chicken fried rice today. This quick and easy recipe is flavorful and aromatic. And of course, thank you for tuning in. You can check all the ingredient list in the description box below. Let's start. Marinate with 300 grams skinless chicken breast, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, fresh cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some salt, 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. Mix well and add some pepper. 1 tablespoon Garam Masala. You can check the description for Garam Masala recipe. For best results, marinate for 30 minutes. Deep fry the chicken pieces until they turn golden and crispy. Take them on a plate and set aside. Heat a non-stick pan and add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup chopped onion, some curry leaves and green chilies. This gives a wonderful flavor and aroma to the dish. Add 1 egg and cook until soft curds are formed. Add 1 cup of basmati rice and cook for 2 minutes. Add some fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chana Masala and mix well. Season with some salt and pepper. Add the deep fried chicken pieces and cook for about 2 minutes. Serve it hot. Let us know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Thank you for watching Mahinafoods.